Hey there friends, welcome back to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Today we're diving into some delicious vegan alternatives to your favorite traditional comfort foods. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized. We're talking about creamy mac and cheese, savory pulled pork sandwiches, spicy buffalo wings, all plant-based and oh so good. I'm telling you, these recipes are so delicious you won't even miss the meat or dairy. So let's get cooking and show the world that vegan food can be comforting, satisfying, and full of flavor. Are you ready to feel the love? Let's get started. First up, we're gonna whip up a creamy, dreamy vegan mac and cheese that'll make you want to slap somebody. But in a good way, cause it's just that good. We're gonna use some simple ingredients like potatoes, carrots, and nutritional yeast to create that cheesy flavor without any dairy. Trust me, it's gonna be off the chain. Once you try this recipe, you'll never go back to that box stuff again. It's just that good, y'all. Next, we're gonna make a mouth-watering pulled pork sandwich. But hold on, before you click away, this ain't your mama's pulled pork. We're gonna use jackfruit, a magical fruit that when cooked right has a texture that'll have you saying, hold up, is this really vegan? Slather it with some barbecue sauce, pile it high on a toasted bun, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 3. Cauliflower wings, that'll make you fly. Now let's turn up the heat with some spicy, crispy cauliflower buffalo wings. These babies are perfect for game day, a snack attack, or just because you deserve a little something. We're gonna toss these cauliflower florets in a simple batter, bake them to perfection, and then coat them in a finger-licking buffalo sauce. Trust me, these wings will have you feeling like you can fly. Chapter 4. Shepherd's pie, but make it vegan. Let's get cozy with a hearty and comforting vegan shepherd's pie. This dish is packed with flavor, nutrients, and all the good stuff that'll make your soul sing. We're gonna use lentils and mushrooms for a hearty base, top it with a creamy mashed potato crust, and bake it to golden perfection. This shepherd's pie is so good it'll make you want to call your mama. Chapter 5. Vegan cookies that'll make you do a happy dance. For dessert, let's whip up a batch of warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies that are so good you'd never guess they're vegan. We're gonna use simple ingredients like flaxseed meal and almond milk to create that perfect chewy texture that'll have you doing a happy dance. These cookies are the perfect way to end our vegan comfort food journey. Outro, stay sweet, stay vegan, stay blessed. I hope you enjoyed these delicious vegan alternatives to traditional comfort foods. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite. Remember, to show some love to Dwayne's Simple Good Health, you don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction when you're eating plant-based. There are so many amazing vegan options out there that'll make your taste buds sing. Until next time, stay blessed and stay vegan. Thanks for watching.